For an 8-hour layover at FIUMICINO Airport in Rome, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the idea of navigating a bustling airport, finding transport into the city, and trying to squeeze in as much as possible in just a few hours. But don't worry, with a clear plan, you can turn this brief stopover into a chance to experience the best of Rome, leaving you with lasting memories instead of frustration. Welcome to Sydtravella! Whether you're looking to explore Rome's iconic landmarks or indulge in authentic Roman cuisine, I've got you covered. We'll dive into a simple, stress-free plan to make your Roman layover a mini adventure worth telling your friends about. You might feel overwhelmed trying to figure out how to make the most of your short layover. What's worth seeing? How long will it take? The fear of missing your next flight could create stress as you navigate airport procedures and transport options. The food choices at the airport may not feel exciting. After all, you're in Rome. You want a true taste of Italy. Quick, easy access to Rome's heart. You want to maximize your time exploring the city, but without feeling rushed or stressed. An authentic Roman experience includes historic landmarks to local cuisine. You're craving those quintessential Roman moments, even if they're brief. Whether it's grabbing a quick pizza or sitting down to a classic pasta dish, you want to savor real Italian flavors. Some fears can be getting lost in traffic. Rome can be a maze and traffic is unpredictable. You might worry that your layover isn't long enough to see anything significant. Whether it's transportation, long lines, or restaurant waits, any unexpected holdup could derail your adventure. Our pre-departure tips tells you to double-check your essentials. Before you even leave the airport, ensure your passport, boarding pass, and gate information are all in order. It's also smart to check your airline's app for any flight or gate updates. Buy your train tickets in advance. To avoid wasting time upon your return to Roma Termini, purchase both your Leonardo Express tickets up front. This saves you the hassle later on and keeps your schedule on track. Layover itinerary: 6 hours in Rome. Hour 1. Arrival at FCO and transport to Rome. Upon arrival at FIUMICINO Airport, excitement starts to build as you prepare for your Roman adventure. Head straight to the Leonardo Express, a direct train that runs every 15 minutes between the airport and Roma Termini, Rome's Central Railway station. The ride itself is about 32 minutes, giving you a chance to catch your breath and get ready to explore. Tickets cost €14 one way, and this is the fastest, most stress-free way to get into the city. As you pass the Italian countryside and enter the city, you can feel the energy of Rome awaiting you. Once you arrive at Roma Termini, you'll only be a 10-minute taxi ride or metro trip from the majestic Colosseum, your first stop of the day. With 6 hours to explore, you have plenty of time to soak in Rome's rich history and culture, while ensuring you make it back to the airport on time. Time check! Once you step off the train at Roma Termini, you're only 10 minutes away from the Colosseum. Start your Roman layover by diving straight into the heart of ancient history at the Colosseum and Roman Forum. The Colosseum, a symbol of the city, stands as a grand reminder of the gladiatorial contests and public spectacles held here centuries ago. Take around 30 to 45 minutes to walk around its exterior, and if time permits, consider entering for a brief tour. Book tickets in advance to skip the lines. Just a few steps away is the Roman Forum, the former center of Roman public life, where you can stroll among the ruins of ancient temples, arches, and political buildings. These ruins provide an incredible glimpse into the life of ancient Romans. As you walk among these historic monuments, take a moment to imagine the bustling marketplace and political gatherings that once took place here. The history comes alive as you take photos, appreciate the grand architecture, and embrace the awe-inspiring atmosphere of this iconic location. Time check! After experiencing ancient Rome, it's time to head to one of the city's most famous architectural marvels, the Pantheon. Hop into a taxi for a quick 10-minute ride or take a local bus if you prefer enjoying the scenic Roman streets as you go. The Pantheon is a marvel of ancient engineering with its enormous dome and central oculus that still draws visitors from all over the world. Spend about 20 minutes here admiring the interior, which combines both ancient pagan roots and its later Christian adaptations. After you visit, it's just a 5-minute walk to the nearby Piazza Navona. This lively square is filled with beautiful fountains, street performers, and cafes that exude a classic Roman vibe. As you stroll through the square, take in the Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, Fountain of the Four Rivers, by Bernini, and watch artists and vendors selling their wares. The energy here is a perfect contrast to the solemnity of the ancient sites you've just visited, offering a moment of lightness and joy as you immerse yourself in Roman daily life. Time check! A short 5-minute walk from Piazza Navona will bring you to the Campo de Fiori, a bustling square famous for its outdoor market and great food options. After a morning filled with history and art, it's time for a delicious Roman lunch. Just a few minutes walk from Piazza Navona lies Campo de Fiori, a bustling market square surrounded by vibrant trattorias and food stalls. Here you'll find casual yet authentic dining options, perfect for midday meal. For a quick and local experience, grab a slice of pizza al taglio at Forno Campo de Fiori, one of the most famous bakeries in Rome. If you prefer a sit-down meal, head to Antica Hostaria Romanesa, where you can indulge in Roman specialties like carbonara or cacio e pepe, paired with a refreshing glass of the local wine. The energy of Campo de Fiori with its market stalls and colorful flowers makes it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the true flavors of Rome. If you're short on time, opt for suppli, fried rice ball, or a quick pizza slice from one of the street vendors. Spend about 45 minutes here, savoring the food and soaking in the lively atmosphere before moving on to your next destination. Time check! After your delicious meal, it's time to visit one of Rome's most famous landmarks, the Trevi Fountain. Take a short taxi ride, about 15 minutes, or enjoy a leisurely walk to the Trevi Fountain, one of the most iconic and romantic spots in Rome. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the fountain ensures your return to the Eternal City, so be sure to participate in this time-honored tradition. Spend about 20 minutes here, marveling at the intricate Baroque design and the beautiful sculptures that seem to emerge from the flowing water. The Trevi Fountain is not just a sight to behold, but a place to make memories and wishes. So take a moment to relax and enjoy the setting. As you're here, indulge in a sweet treat from Gelateria Valentino, located just a short walk away. With a creamy gelato in hand, sit by the fountain, watch the crowd, and soak up the magic of Rome. This stop is a perfect way to reflect on your brief but fulfilling visit to the city before you prepare to head back. Time check! It's time to head back to the airport. As your Roman adventure winds down, it's time to head back to the airport with plenty of time to spare. From the Trevi Fountain, take a quick taxi ride back to Roma Termini, or if you prefer, hop on the metro for a short ride. Once you arrive at Termini, board the Leonardo Express for a stress-free journey back to FIUMICINO Airport. The train ride takes around 32 minutes, ensuring you arrive at the airport well in advance of your flight. This reliable and direct service allows you to relax after a busy day of exploring, giving you time to reflect on the incredible sights and experiences you've enjoyed. If you're feeling peckish, FIUMICINO offers some fantastic dining options near your gate. From quick bites at Venci to a sit-down meal at La Terrazza, where you can enjoy one last taste of Roman cuisine before your departure. Arrive at your gate with time to spare, feeling satisfied, energized, and grateful for the unforgettable hours spent in Rome. In a short 8-hour layover, you've managed to experience some of Rome's most iconic sights, tasted authentic Italian cuisine, and indulged in delicious gelato, all while keeping an eye on the clock. You've seen the Colosseum, wandered through the Roman Forum, marveled at the Pantheon, enjoyed lunch at Campo di Fiori, and tossed a coin into the Trevi Fountain. And the best part, you did it all at a relaxed pace, without the stress of rushing back to the airport. Always give yourself a 2-hour buffer before your flight to return to the airport. Go through security and get ready for departure. With this caution in place, you can enjoy your Roman adventure to the fullest without any last-minute worries. Upon your return to FCO, double-check your passport, boarding pass, and gate information. It's always a good idea to confirm your gate as soon as you enter the airport to avoid any last-minute surprises. And that's it for today. Always remember to turn every travel, even the shortest layover, into an epic adventure. See you next time!